Thorne's RoBo-Blocks are precision made to keep robbing bees or wasps at bay. It has several features, the block. It is an anti-robbing device preventing wasps and predator bees during the feeding time. It is also a mouse guard, a ventilator and a pollen sampling device as well. The basic block is the full width of the hive floor. It comes with 3 adjustable slides. 2 are plain and 1 has a very shallow channel in it which collects the pollen when it is in pollen collection mode. If you are going to use it in anti-robbing mode, insert the block like this. It is the full width of the floor and is made in all popular sizes apart from WBC. You'll notice there are holes on the left hand side of the block. There are also holes on the other side of the block which are offset, so predator bees or wasps cannot find easy entry through the front of the block. The bees in the hive can easily find their way out, and once they've found their way out they can find their way back in again. So it's also always advisable to put the block in position late at night or first thing in the morning. If it is put in position in the middle of the day, the flying bees from the hive will also find it difficult to gain entry. If robbing is particularly bad, you can close the holes on the left hand side by using the slide, closing it up as much as you like down to 1 hole. This exposes a ventilator on the right hand side of the block. By turning the block through 90 degrees, there are 2 more features exposed. On the left hand side there is a full size entrance and mouse guard, and on the right hand side, if you move the slider, there are some 5mm holes exposed. Now these are pollen stripping holes. If you wanted to take some small samples of pollen just to see what your bees are foraging on, you could put it into this mode and the bees will enter the hive through the small holes and the pollen will be stripped from their legs. The pollen is collected in the shallow tray underneath. The shallow channel runs the whole length of the slide. So the RoBo-Block is a multifunctional device that a beekeeper can use for various parts of beekeeping, particularly anti-robbing.